Fivetran is one of the most widely used automated data movement platforms in modern data stacks. This video covers 5 real interview questions on what Fivetran actually is, and the core problem it solves for data teams. Let's begin. No prior Fivetran experience needed, just general familiarity with the idea of a data pipeline. What is Fivetran, and what problem does it actually solve? Fivetran is a fully managed, automated data integration platform, extracting data from sources and loading it into a destination warehouse, without you writing or maintaining pipeline code yourself. The real problem it solves is engineering time spent on plumbing. Teams historically spent enormous effort building and maintaining custom extractors for every single data source they needed. Fivetran maintains the connectors, schemas, and API changes centrally. When a source API changes, Fivetran updates the connector for everyone, not each customer's own custom code separately. This shifts engineering focus from building pipelines to actually using the data. The real value teams want is analysis and decisions, not maintaining fragile extraction scripts indefinitely. Naming these categories precisely, not just Fivetran moves data, shows genuine familiarity with the actual product rather than a surface-level impression. What are Fivetran's key features and benefits at a high level? Pre-built connectors cover hundreds of common data sources, databases, SaaS applications, and event streams, all covered without writing any custom integration code yourself. Automated schema management handles changes without manual intervention. A new column appearing at the source gets reflected in the destination automatically, a topic covered fully in a later video. Built-in transformations come through native dbt core integration, pre-configured, ready-to-use SQL models compatible with dbt, reducing transformation setup time significantly for a new project. Enterprise-grade security and compliance, covered in real depth later in this series, SOC 2 Type 2, ISO 27001, and GDPR compliance, genuinely important for regulated industries adopting this at real scale. A useful phrase for an interview: extraction and loading are automatic, but what happens after loading is genuinely still your team's own responsibility. How does data actually flow through Fivetran, end-to-end? Data starts at the source, a SaaS application like Salesforce, or a production database, wherever the actual business data genuinely lives. A Fivetran connector extracts the data on a schedule, handling authentication, pagination, and rate limits entirely automatically, without custom code. The destination is your data warehouse, Snowflake, BigQuery, or Redshift, where the extracted data lands in a genuinely structured, queryable form. From there, dbt or ABI tool becomes the actual consumer, building transformations and dashboards on top of data that's already reliably arrived. This end-to-end flow is exactly what automated means in this context. Extraction and loading requires zero custom code at any stage. Being able to name specific destinations by name shows real hands-on exposure, not just reading a product page once. How does Fivetran fit into a modern cloud data stack? Fivetran sits at the extraction and loading layer specifically. It doesn't replace your warehouse or your BI tool. It feeds them reliably, a distinct, focused layer within a larger stack. It's genuinely cloud-native, integrating directly with major providers. Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, and Azure Synapse are all first-class destinations, not afterthoughts bolted on as an afterthought. This fits the modern ELT pattern rather than older ETL, load first, transform after inside the warehouse itself, letting the warehouse's own compute handle transformation at genuine scale. The whole stack becomes genuinely modular this way. Fivetran handles extraction and load, dbt handles transformation, ABI tool handles visualization, each piece replaceable independently of the others. This decision framing, common versus unique, cost of build versus maintenance, is exactly the kind of practical judgment an interviewer wants to hear. When would you choose Fivetran over building custom pipelines? Choose Fivetran when the source is common and well supported. A well-maintained connector for a popular SaaS tool genuinely beats reinventing that same integration completely from scratch yourself. Choose custom pipelines for genuinely unique, proprietary sources. An internal legacy system with no existing connector may still genuinely need custom extraction logic built specifically for it. Consider the true cost of maintenance, not just initial build time. A custom pipeline's ongoing maintenance cost often exceeds its initial build cost significantly, especially as source APIs change over time. Many real teams genuinely use both strategically. Fivetran for the common 80% of sources, Custom pipelines only where genuinely justified by real, unique requirements. You know Fivetran Fundamentals. That's Fivetran Fundamentals. What it is, its key features, how data flows end to end, where it fits in the modern stack, and when to choose it over custom pipelines. Next video goes deeper into connectors and sources. If this helped, subscribe, and see you in the next one.